Oh, I feel like a fried egg on a sidewalk or a pancake left in the sun. I need something cold. What about soda? Soda makes me feel more thirsty after. Yeah, remember last time you drank soda, ran in circles, and then crashed on the lawn? Hey, that was tactical resting. Sure, it was. So, what do we drink? Fresh juice like real fruit? We could make it ourselves. Yes, I have got oranges, strawberries, and even frozen mango at home. Welcome to Chef Leo's Super Juicy Lab. Today's recipe no fizz fresh, packed with energy, vitamins, and zero sugar crash. Ditch the fizz, go fresh, go fruity. Let's roar into fitness.